Menteri Ketenat Tourism ubak polling do hakasngi thok ding ulapan bena baya ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival arhajar arpusan on penlong haka khatsau bat khatsan teri unai wing. Habakren syakilar patai kubor Menteri ulapan tipru baka Mikhalia kaliyok pediang yaki artliki khusnam Pan Asian Awards naka WOW Awards Asia kawe na kirensan kabahe kaba aijing itu yaki tamasa bapau kmat haka deuba Asia. Ngidap da kejingkemen ke bakrauban pentip baka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival arhajar arpusau kala job yaka Gold Award haka Special Event of the Year bala penyait da ka Sorkar bat ka Gold Award haka Festival of the Year kabayade bat kejingpen iya ka Kolshore ong ubak polling do. Menteri ulaong bakane kejingyok pediang khusnam kapun pau ya kejing job haki sinjam balashim da ka Sorkar jela haka bayade bat kejing kentiu ya ka kam jungok kai perthai khamtam ka Cherry Blossom Festival kabade ka tamasa ka bahe tam ha ka jela na ka bentaban kentiu ya kejing rius pa ka jela haka liang ka Kolshore bat kejing internat jong kisau dong saukun. Ulaong ru bakane kejing itu lakmi lenti bakan nangla ban kentiu ya ka kam jungok kai perthai bat ban kring shushu ya kinong wan shangkai perthai bakin wan yuk kejat syakani kejela. Hakini ketamasa ka ban long menta usnem on sakhiru ya kejing wan shim benta da unong ruai bapau nam u Jason Derulo bat ka kenhun tem bapau nam na Britain the script ya ka bala shim ba ka de ka kenhun ka bawan ha ka kerdan ka baar hadien jo ka kenhun tem Coldplay.
I'm addressing you today to update you about the forthcoming Cherry Blossom Festival, Meghalaya's biggest tourism festival. But before we proceed to that, I'm delighted to share with you that the state government of Meghalaya has bagged 2 prestigious awards and because of the recognition that we got under an organization called WOW Asia, which is the biggest event recognition in Asia, curated by Event FAQs and KPMG. So the state government got Gold Award for the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2024, special event of the year for government. This is a Pan-Asian award. And we also got Gold Award for Culture in Full Bloom.
Festival of the Year.
Festival of the Year. Okay. So we are delighted to share with you that these are tangible outcomes of the festivals that we are organizing, and more especially the Cherry Blossom Festival. An interest shown in Meghalaya from across the world and within India. The Pan-India reach was 1762 visitors from Maharashtra, 224 from Odisha, besides other states. In terms of the boom to the hotel industry, the hospitality industry, there was full occupancy in Shillong and Saura, contributing nearly 27% of the total stimulus. 18,000 plus tourists travel by air, generating an aviation revenue of 16.80 crore. Cab services earned 5.38 crores. For every 1 rupee spent on tickets, we yielded an additional 334 rupees across hospitality, travel, dining and local shopping. As far as the digital and community impact is concerned, there were activities that led to the growth of what we call an inclusive ecosystem benefiting women-led home kitchens, local artisans, micro enterprises, and these equitably help to spread economic benefits. So on the forthcoming Cherry Blossom Festival 2025, scheduled for the 14th and 15th of November 2025, we've already announced main headliners. Jason Derulo, who is ranked among the top 10 male performers of all time, in the same list with Michael Jackson. The Script, which is a top UK band regarded as second only to Coldplay. During the festival, we will also be introducing for the first time synchronized LED wristbands for all attendees. And we will also be encouraging walking as a way of life. So the movement towards the venue will be strictly purely pedestrian movement, and all attendees, we will begin by making and declaring the entire stretch of road starting from Hotel Pinewood down to Wards Lake up to the polo grounds as purely a pedestrian zone for the 2 days of the festival. We have decided to this year shift it to Shillong because of multiple factors, including accommodation and transportation, and also to in tune with the fact that Shillong is recognized as the music capital of the country. We will also share copies with you about how our concert economy is benefiting Meghalaya. In the past year, the state government had invested 23.5 crores as part of support to various festivals, and in turn we generated a total economic stimulus of 133.42 crores, which is roughly about 6 times the return on our investment. Total attendees to the festivals reached 3.86 lakh attendees, 60,000 organic social posts, 20 million reel views, and in terms of the economic stimulus, revenue from ticket sales was 29.1 crore, hotel revenue 33.8 crores, allied activities including transport, F&B, local shopping 37.1 crore, F&B, food and beverages 6.9 crores, event expenses was 18 crores. Employment and livelihoods generated was 5,509 daily jobs across event value chains, which has benefited youths, artisans, and the informal sector.